Winter storm warning in effect from 11 a.m. this morning until further notice. What? Moderate to heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 6 inches expected, where Tilburg and surrounding areas. When from 11 a.m. this morning until further notice. Additional details: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. The latest road conditions for your area can be found on your website for your city.